Your Gmail inbox is a mess because you are letting every single message land in the same spot, which is basically like throwing your mail, your bills, and your trash into one big pile on your floor. You are losing time searching for important threads because you haven't told Google where to put things yet. Most people stay stuck in this digital clutter because they think setting up a system is going to take hours of technical work. But the truth is that Gmail is actually designed to do the heavy lifting for you if you just give it one simple instruction. Stick around until the end of this walkthrough because I'm going to show you a hidden setting that handles your old, messy emails so you don't have to manually click through hundreds of pages to clean up your past mistakes. The reason your inbox feels overwhelming is that, by default, Gmail is a generalist. It doesn't know the difference between a high-priority work update and a random newsletter, so it just dumps everything in your face at once. It is like having a filing cabinet, but never actually using the folders inside. When you don't use filters, you are forcing your brain to sort through data every time you open your phone or laptop. This creates a constant state of low-level stress. We are going to fix that right now by turning your inbox into an automated assistant that sorts your mail the second it hits the server. First, open Gmail and find an email from a sender you want to organize. Copy that person's email address. Now, look at the search bar at the very top of your screen. On the right side of that bar, you will see a small icon for search options. Click that, and a box will drop down. Take the email address you just copied and paste it into the section labeled From. If you want to be even more specific, you can use the other boxes to filter by the subject line or specific words that are always in those emails. But usually, the email address is the best way to go. Once that is filled out, do not click Search. Instead, click on the text that says Create Filter. Next, you need to tell Gmail what to do with these specific messages. Look for the option that says Apply the label and click the drop-down menu next to it. If you already have a folder ready, just pick it from the list. If you don't, click on New Label and give it a name like Work or Receipts, then hit Create. Now, this is the most important part if you want a clean inbox. Check the box that says Skip the Inbox. This tells Gmail to bypass your main view entirely and send the email straight to its folder so it doesn't distract you. If you still want to see it in your main list, but just want the tag on it, you can leave that box unchecked. Once you have made your choices, click Create Filter. Now for the pro tip to handle your existing mess. When you are creating that filter, look at the very bottom of the list for a checkbox that says Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. When you check that, Gmail will go back in time and move every single old email from that sender into your new label automatically. You can also do this manually by selecting a group of emails, clicking the three dots at the top, and choosing the Label as option. Once they are labeled, just hit the Archive button to whisk them out of your site and into their new home. Now that your inbox is finally breathing again, you should check out my guide on advanced search operators to find any hidden file in your account in under 5 seconds.